Hey, let me show you how to send pictures on Yahoo Mail. Now, all we need to do here is select Compose. Then we need to write the email we want to send to, a subject, and then a body of text. Once you've done that, select the little paper clip here at the very bottom next to the send. Then we'll have a choice between attach files from recent emails or attach files from computer. You then want to locate the file if you select from your computer. Then select Open. And as you can see, you've attached a picture to the email. You then want to press Send. Now, if you're using the older version of Yahoo Mail, it's very similar. You just want to compose, add all the emails, and select Attach Files here next to the subject. We then want to choose a file. Again, we'll select this one, then select Open. Now select Attach Files. Now once you've composed your email, you can select Send at the top or at the bottom, and that picture will be attached to your Yahoo Mail message. So hopefully that helps you out how to send pictures on Yahoo Mail. If it does, smash the like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see many more helpful videos like this one.